On this flip-flop navigator adventure, I'm taking a local train from Udon Thani to Khon Kaen, Thailand.
At Khon Kaen.
Khon Kaen 75 baht. One positive.
For 25 baht, which is 73 cents, I got a local ticket from Udon Thani, leaving at 1:40, arriving at Khon Kaen at 3:27. I am in class 3 seating coach. That's all they have on this train because it's a local train. 418, you can see the 418 logo. The other types of trains on the schedule were Diesel Express, Rapid, and Special Express. On the other trains, air-conditioned seating was offered, and on the Special Express, even sleeping bunks top and bottom are available. The Special Express trains seem to run overnight only. I got an hour to get on the train. Got my mince pork with fried egg on top, a little bit of rice, and this cost me 70 baht, probably $2.10 about. If you know why the cost is 25 baht and not 12, please let me know in the comments below. I'm assuming there's a basic charge or tax or something like that. There are no assigned seats on this train, so I boarded and grabbed a seat in the front. The train was clean, there were plenty of seats available and plenty of room. After sitting down, I found the seats on the left side of the train were the first to fill because they're on the shady side of the train. I was told there were only hardwood seats, so I was happy to find soft cushioned seats. When we pulled into the station, I saw the conductor holding a teardrop-shaped ring and was surprised to see him hanging on a pole while the train was still moving into the station. Sitting in the front, I witnessed a near water buffalo collision. The conductor decelerated fast, so I thought we were arriving at a station, but found water buffalo were near the tracks and one calf almost got hit by the train. The conductor hung a ring on a pole at each station, with the exception of one station where he hung it on a closed umbrella held by the station attendant. Later I noticed the conductor was also snatching rings from another pole at the end of each station. If you know the purpose of these rings, please let me know in the comments below. I have no idea what they're for. I was surprised to see the heavy Thai police presence in the stations, at the road crossings, and on the train. They even are the people who come around to check and punch all passenger tickets after the train departs. The wind feels good, but it's hot and dry, so be sure to bring plenty of water, something to cover up with to block the sun, and maybe earplugs if you're on a long trip on a local train. As we approached Khon Kaen, the countryside turned into city within a few hundred meters, and soon there were high-rise condominiums and hotels towering over the tin-roof shacks of the country, making me believe the city is expanding very fast. I really enjoy the tapioca fields, grazing water buffalo, birds, farmers, and rural living scenes that you don't get on an airplane or on most highways. In the future I'll try the overnight sleeper and the other trains, but I think I prefer the daytime views and wind blowing in my face. If you're enjoying this train travel in Thailand adventure, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. I read all the comments and appreciate the feedback. If you'd like to see more videos on train travel or other adventures in Southeast Asia, please let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching.